The Big Idea, How to Make Your Entrepreneurial Dreams Come True, From the Aha Moment to Your First Million, by Donny Deutsch. The Big Idea, How to Make Your Entrepreneurial Dreams Come True, From the Aha Moment to Your First Million, is a book written by Donny Deutsch that provides practical advice and guidance for aspiring entrepreneurs. Here is a 10-point summary of the book. The book emphasizes the importance of having a big idea that solves a problem, fills a need, or creates a new market. The author shares his own entrepreneurial journey and the lessons he learned along the way. The book provides a step-by-step guide on how to develop and validate your big idea, including conducting market research, testing prototypes, and refining your concept. The author stresses the importance of having a clear vision and mission for your business, as well as a strong brand identity. The book offers practical advice on how to build a team, manage finances, and scale your business. The author encourages entrepreneurs to embrace failure and learn from their mistakes. The book provides insights into the mindset and characteristics of successful entrepreneurs, such as resilience, creativity, and a willingness to take risks. The author emphasizes the importance of networking and building relationships with mentors, investors, and other entrepreneurs. The book includes case studies and examples of successful entrepreneurs, as well as practical exercises and tools to help readers develop their own big ideas. The author concludes by encouraging readers to take action and pursue their entrepreneurial dreams, while recognizing that success requires hard work, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Like and subscribe for more content.